Good morning from Orlando, Florida. I'm Epic Phil, who does vlogs in Tenerife and Orlando, Florida. So if you're interested in stuff, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press that bell notification, like the videos and hype the videos, and obviously comment on them because that helps push them out more. Now everyone does Walmart and that, but I thought, why don't we do a tour while I've got to do a little bit of shopping of Walgreens on International Drive, right across from Surfside and Dockside in. So for the people who are staying in Surfside and Dockside, even the roads in closest to Universal, the hotel just over there, this would be your nearest Walgreens, I suppose. It's a mixture between Boots and Tesco's, as I like to call it. So let's go in there and have a look around and see what you can buy. Okay, start on this side, what's more like the Boots store. There is an ATM hidden right here, but you know, you can get all your makeup and everything in here also. A spray for sunburn pain relief gels, after sun gels, and obviously sunscreens. Have your lotions, your lipsticks, and all and that jazz in here as well. So just this section here is good for the people who love makeup, who may have forgot to bring some with them. For example, if they forgot to bring it, they could probably pop in here and find what they're looking for, what could be a lifesaver. Also all the other type of grooming stuff. You can even buy some really ghoulish looking nails, Halloween style nails right now, obviously. So if you're into that sort of stuff, it's all in here. You've got loads more grooming stuff as well. You can buy shower gels and that in here. It looks like they're locked up. Funny enough, that's what I've come here for. So it looks like I'm going to have to be asking for a member of staff just to give me shower gel. Crazy. But I'm guessing that is probably down to people stealing. Unfortunately, what spoils it for the rest of us. Feels like I'm in the middle of London when I see things like this all locked up. More stuff locked up here. So yeah, this is the stuff people have clearly been stealing, but there is still loads of stuff out, obviously. You get your medical stuff here as well. Not paracetamol if you're in from England. Paracetamol is pretty hard to get hold of in America. So sun and tan lotions again, many different types. If you want to take your paw in the water and you're not sure, they've got the pouches in here. More sun stuff, yeah, again, hidden away. There is small shower gels there. Oh no, are they roll-ons? I'm not sure. Could be roll-on deodorant in all fairness. This isn't the most exciting stuff for me in here. It's just more for people needing stuff they may not realise is here and how it can help them. We move across to this aisle. More toothpaste, toothbrushes, hand sanitizers and all that. So your teeth and stuff is here. You even buy a massive clean and whitening. I mean, the size of that bloody thing. That's my hand. Give you an idea. Denture adhesives, so if your dentures are falling out in the heat, that is there also. Some cheaper, well not super cheap, some of them are like $30, but sunglasses as you want. A little toy store area for the people with the babies as well. You have all this here. thermometers and all that stuff, medical stuff for children as well, medicines and that. Plenty of choices of different types of nappies. Food obviously for the children. I'm not sure. This never seems like an electrolyte solution for children, maybe. As I realised there was a little bit of music, I've now got to do that to try and hide it away. Hairbrushes and that as well, if you need any new hairbrushes, even if you want to dry your hair and buy stuff. Is it tongs? Hey, if you want to dye your hair while you're away, fill your boots, fill your boots. We have body wash stuff here. What's confusing because it's locked up around there, but it's clearly here out. As you see. Yeah, there you go. Birthday cards, and that's in case you have a birthday and you forget to bring them with you. Her birthday, his birthday, anniversaries, facts and congratulations. There's a lot of stuff, wrapping stuff as well. Obviously scales. This isn't probably the most exciting I've done. You got all your, again for adults. Any relief stuff for adults as well down these aisles. If your shoe soles inside go, you can buy some in here as well. You can even buy a wheelchair in here if you need a wheelchair. Bath bench, walking sticks, you name it, they've got it. Now I can't believe I'm walking down every aisle. Plaster stickers, they're all down here. Your vitamins, whatever you want to call them. Back pain stuff. Supports, knee supports, and all that, heating pads. This stuff is great. If you what I call chub rub, if you get that, that can be so good to walking around the parks with. So now we're into the sweeties and that. Plenty of choices of sweets in here. My brother's favourite Reese's. My workplace's worst nightmare, Hershey's Kisses. They said it tasted like vomit, and I understand why, because I believe that the ingredient in printing is something that's actually an ingredient which actually comes out with vomit. So when you're sick, that's there. Your Twizzlers are down the bottom. Loads of different types of sweeties, as I say, are here. Candy for the Americans if you're watching. Okay, as we move on, chocolate lovers, you do not need to worry. Chewing gum lovers, you don't need to worry. Plenty of choice in. Moving aisles. This is a more bigger aisle where you can buy merchandise, t-shirts, towels, beach towels and that, like Disney, Universal type of apparel. Baseball cap if you really want one. A little bit of Minnie Mouse there. Yeah, again, 3 for $5, so look for the deals in these little boxes. Universal t-shirts over there. Buy yourself some mug cups and everything. Disney, whatever these are. They've got just decoration for your house. Don't worry children, they've got children clothes as well. Even goggles for swimming, if you forget stuff like that. They literally have everything you could possibly need in here. These are obviously still adult clothes I'm on. You can buy suitcases in here if you're in desperate need of a suitcase to take home if you buy too much while you're out here. More medical stuff on the wall all the way down there. Random place to put more food. Obviously we have the children clothes. It looks like they sell balloons as well. Cough drops and weird stuff like that. Extensions for your phones, plugs, padlocks, USBs. Oh, and here, say, more bags if you need to go out with a bag if you didn't bring a rucksack on your days out. Children's plushies, especially Disney. Pajamas. Yeah, again, we have more candy down this aisle for the people who like candy corn, I should say. Toys. More of a pick and mix style candy. Right now this is obviously Halloween period, so you'll see more Halloween style stuff in here. There's the balloons that you can buy from different prices, from $3.99 to $10.99. Halloween costumes right now. You get more flu stuff here. Even if you bring your dogs and that, they've got you covered in here. Crayons and that. So arts and crafts. Light bulbs, what you, if you're here on vacation, I very much doubt you're going to need. But for locals, yes, plenty in here for you, plenty of stuff. This aisle that I missed earlier, you have like all your snacks, tin goods in here, coffees. I meant to look for some of these for work, but nothing's happening. Cereals, for the cereal lovers, some of your favourite cereal choices are in here as well. Oh my god, the amount of money I can spend in here. Healthier people who want their nuts. Healthy food as well. You can get your fruit. For us alcoholics, your wines and beers are in here as well. So there's your healthy people. Then we're going to move us to unhealthy. Wines, beers, you name it, we can get that in here. By the way, it's funny how this stuff ain't locked up when you think about it. Sour gel is, but alcohol isn't. Who would have funked it? Stella Artois here. Apparently it's a posh drink out, but I think everyone usually buys this, don't they? It's like Foster's. Obviously we go down this aisle quickly. You get all your crisp and that down here. If you need your Twinkies, your bread what is more like cake mix than me, but you will learn. All your favourite snacks, chips I suppose they're called out here, are down this aisle. Buy some drinks. As I say, more snack boxes. Yeah, snack boxes are pretty cool. Always a couple of flavours in there you don't like though. Gotta quickly walk down here again so I can go down the final aisle all the way down, and then I'm going to finish doing my shopping. So as I said, you've got all your medical stuff here, as you can see. Whole wall of it. I believe this one doesn't have a medical centre in it anymore. Bin liners, all that stuff. So kitchen stuff, bath stuff, and washing machines and that is all down this aisle. Quick look down this aisle. You can buy a candle. Do you want a candle? Buy a candle.
Get it.
You can buy freezer food in here as well, like Oreo ice creams. That's for Seb from the Incredible Wilsons. I'd like to show him all, but they're all quite steamed. Microwave foods, pizzas, water, milk, just cold drinks, energy drinks for Gaz from the Incredible Wilsons. Need an energy drink when you're wearing Crocs, just to be brave enough to wear them. And just more juices and stuff like that. Then you've got a bit more, as I say, you can buy your cigarettes in here. I believe you have to have ID, even if you're old. Crazy. They can't look at you and tell how old you are. It's a bit worrying. Then you've got more stuff for your mobile accessories and that. So that is pretty much the whole tour of a store without being here for hours. But as you can see, there is plenty of stuff to buy in this store. It's got a bit of everything for everybody. So if you can't get to a Walmart that quick enough, I believe this one is 24 hours. You can get in here, buy your little bits and that throughout the holidays, vacations for our American friends, and enjoy it. So there we go, that was a little tour of Walgreens. It was a little boring. I can't lie about that. It was more of an informative to show you what's in there for newbies who haven't been out here and just wanted to see what's in a Walgreens, knowing that they don't always have to rush to a Walmart and that they can buy the stuff right here at Walgreens. So there you go, hope you enjoyed that. Any comments down below would be lovely. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, press that bell notification, and if you're doing it on YouTube apps, hype the video and on a laptop and that, it gets it out to more people, it pushes us small creators out. Thanks for watching this Walgreens tour. It was quick, but it was informative. Stay epic.